Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into a scene of friends dancing in the first rain, a memory drawing of a drizzling rainy scene. Before we start, let me extend a warm welcome to the CSMC channel for all the creative minds out there. To get better understanding, follow the steps as shown. Pause the video, draw the step and then proceed to the next step. Use A4, A3 size drawing paper, 2B pencil for drawing, and have a drawing pad for support. You can find the links to these products in the description below, which are shortlisted by CSMC experts. This tutorial is meant to develop your memory retention, study of human figure and anatomy, visualization skills. For today's artistry trivia, which Indian artist says I paint monsoon art because I was an aquatic boy who was fascinated by the wet surface of the railway platforms since childhood, and whose work was also appreciated by Prime Minister Narendra Modi in his Man Ki Baat speech and is an railway employee in Nagpur? Drop your guesses in the comments below and stay tuned till the end to know the correct answer. Let's get started. Capture a hazy rainy afternoon. Today we will be drawing 4 characters. Let's start placing in our characters one by one. Our first 2 characters are dancing in the rain and the main subject. To draw faces, use oval shapes. We will draw the torso using curved rectangle and the limbs using cylinders. Our first 2 characters have their arms in the air, so draw them accordingly. Remember to always keep the proportions in check and the shapes as simple as possible. It is very important to sketch in our drawing with basic shapes for better understanding of proportions and composition. It is very important to keep in mind that what character is doing so that we can draw his body, language likewise. Always keep a check of perspective as to where our characters are standing, and henceforth, draw them small or large depending on their position. Now our third character is standing in the back with an umbrella, so draw him. After that, let's draw our fourth character in, who also standing in the back and looking at kids dancing in the rain. After being done with the positioning of our characters, let's move on to drawing the details like costume and their facial expressions. Costume defines our character and helps in telling the story better. Once you are done with the characters, let's start with the background. As the scene is set on a street, draw the background accordingly. Make sure to keep the background simple to pull attention towards the main action. Don't forget to add the eater puddles on the ground. Give a pat on your back for finishing the sketch, and now let's start with the fun part, coloring. Carefully color the sketch and make sure it doesn't get out of the outlines. Use light strokes to create shadows and highlights, giving a 3-dimensional feel to our characters. While coloring or shading, always keep in mind the form of the subject and the light casting on it. This will help you in giving a more better shading to the sketch. Blend the colors to make the sketch livelier. It's okay if your sketch doesn't match our sketch. Always remember to have fun while sketching and keep practicing, because practice makes perfect. And there we have it, an energetic, soothing rain dance. Now, coming back to the artistry trivia question. Bijay Biswal, an Indian artist, says, I paint monsoon art because I was an aquatic boy who was fascinated by the wet surface of the railway platforms since childhood, and whose work was also appreciated by Prime Minister Narendra Modi in his Man Ki Baat speech and is an railway employee in Nagpur. I would like to see your creative end results, so share your output to me on WhatsApp for further evaluation and feedback. For more such helpful and insightful tutorials, make sure to visit the CSMC Training YouTube channel and definitely check out the intermediate playlist to add more skills to your arsenal. Want to enhance your skills more? Then don't forget to check our website CSMC Training to get advanced training. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss a drawing tutorial from CSMC.